Hey everybody, this is Jackie from ESLspeaking.org. So today I'm going to talk about dialogue substitution. It's one of my favorite ESL reading and speaking activities. Have you ever experienced this in your class? It happens to me all the time. You know, there's those little dialogues in the textbooks that are often kind of like the lead-in to the rest of the unit. So I put students into pairs and I tell them, okay, read the dialogue with your partner. And they just blah, 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 blah. And they're finished. And then I say, okay, so that guy Bob. And I ask a question about Bob from the dialogue. And everyone's like, what? Who's Bob? And they actually like legitimately have no idea who Bob is, what Bob did, what Bob said, even though they had just finished reading it with their partner. You know what the problem is? It's not with my students, it's with me. Because I didn't give them a reason to actually read carefully. This is the ultimate way to combat that. So this does require a bit of prep, so photocopy the page in your textbook, take out some of the keywords out of it. And then students have to read it together with their partner, but they have to fill in the blanks with these keywords. So the keywords could be things like the verbs, like the past tense verbs, or they could be things related to food or drink if you're teaching food or drink. Sometimes I'll put a little word bank at the top. Sometimes I won't. It kind of just depends on the level of the students. So it turns it from a simple just like reading out loud exercise to an exercise that focuses on meaning as well. So students actually have to pay attention to what they're reading. All right, so that is my quick tip to make dialogues more interesting, engaging, difficult, and fruitful for your students. All right, if you like this quick teaching tip, please be sure to hit like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and let me know if you tried it out and what you think about it. All right, so if you want even more ESL activities and games, be sure to check out my book, 101 ESL Activities for Kids. You can find it easily on Amazon. I think you'll love it. This activity is straight from that book, and there's 100 more to check out. Okay, until next time, bye everybody.